my ambition to join the GEC is that this program helped me narrow the gap between my bachelor study and my master study, because I would like to apply for smart production engineering in RWTH Aachen, and this really helped me prepare the knowledge.
I studied in automobile engineering in my college, and I want to further study in Germany, so I chose to come to Aachen, and I found the GEC. There's a chance for me to go to Aachen, so I took the opportunity just to go there.
RWTH University is really great, and I always dream to study here. And GEC helped me to get the credits I need to apply for this mayor's university. And it also helped me to find out whether I like this study pattern in Germany or not.
The best part of GEC for me is that I could watch the course in the Moodle until I fully understand the whole part of the lectures.
We can always do a preview before our live lecture, so it gives me more time to get familiar with the material and prepare some questions that I would like to ask in the live lecture.
I really like the group study in GEC program. I always can get help from my classmates, and we also get suggestions and help from senior students from previous GEC program, and it really helps a lot.
We try to achieve the common goal, like that is just go to the Aachen, and I think the atmosphere is good and the teachers are nice, and the students, they are friendly and love to sharing, and I make some friends, and that's the most important.
The GEC program helped me to adapt to German study pattern in advance, and I also know better how to make use of all of the study material, study sources.
I think the GEC have some course that could help me to understand the course in master degree easier. For example, the machine dynamics for robotics. Now I have the course that advanced kinematics and dynamics for robotics. I could understand the course more easily.
You need to take some time to adapt to the new environment, and you have to adapt to everything. And I think it does a great help to that, and it gets me familiar with my classmates and some professors, so I think it's a great opportunity.